crackers. Miko, Miko, come here. Come here, Miko. Miko, come here, Miko. Miko, say hi to them. Say hello for the baby. Miko, Miko. Hi, Miko. Hi, Miko. Hi, Miko. Hi, Miko. Oh, gosh. Hi, Miko. Hi. Can I have a feather? Can I have a feather? He's like, can I have a feather? He's like, oh, my feather. He's like, but my feather don't.
Hello.
He did.
Who's he talking to, that bird?
He said hello to the bird.
He said it again. Hello.
He won't talk. He's like, what the heck is that? I got it. Whoa. Don't dance. Dance. Yeah. I had the force. Cha, 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 cha. I am the bird. It's crazy. You are not my friend. He's like, yeah. Oh, he bit my hole.
I ain't listening to the video.
No, I'm not. Did you say hello? Say hello one more time. I wasn't videoing before. I was videoing, yeah. He bit my phone. Hi. Say hi. Use the force. He's like, yo. He's like, Jones. Okay, say bye. 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 Bye.
So here's one about
Bye.
pirates.
Hi.
Technological world these days. So this is a little song called Pilot Looks at 40. For anybody who may be nearing that tender